Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to put iPhone on silent without Vibrate. Here are the steps to put your iPhone on silent without vibration. First, unlock your iPhone. Use Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Go to the Settings app. Tap the gray gear icon on your home screen. Scroll down and tap Sounds and Haptics. This is where sound and vibration settings are located. Under Ringtone and Alerts, lower the volume to minimum. Slide the volume all the way to the left if you want total silence. Now, go to Haptics by tapping on it. Choose Always Play. This will enable vibration when the phone rings or receives an alert. Choose Don't Play in Silent Mode. This disables vibration when the iPhone is in silent mode. Use the ring or silent switch on the side of your iPhone. Push the switch down toward the back of the phone to put the phone on silent mode. Check for the silent icon. A bell icon with a line through it appears briefly when silent mode is activated. Test your settings. Ask someone to call or text you to ensure your iPhone is silent and not vibrating. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.